In the last class, we have completed activity 5.1, that is circles within a circle. In that activity, we have learned to open GeoGebra software, applications, education, GeoGebra. Then we have familiarized with the show or hide grid tool. Okay. Then we have studied so many tools. In that, first tool is circle with a center and a through point. Okay, what is the specialty? Yes, same center and a different radii. Okay, the circles having same center but the radius of the circle are different. See, this is the center for the first circle and that is the center for the second circle. So, center is same but the radius is different. Okay, so in the next activity, we can draw the circles. It is having the different center but same radius. Okay, so it is opposite of first activity. In the first activity, we are having same center and different radii. Okay, so here, dear children, you can see that this is a center of this circle. See, this circle. Then this is the center of this circle. Then this is the center of the third circle. Okay, so the center of the circles are different but all the circles are having the same radius. Okay, so right here, what are the features of these circles? The circles have same radius but the center points are different. Okay. So, dear children, we are going to draw a floral carpet like this for Onam celebration. Okay, are you happy? Okay, so for that we can make use of circle with a center and radius tool. Okay, what is the name of that tool? Circle with a center and radius. Okay, circle with a center and radius. Keep that name in your mind. Okay. Just below this tool, we can see circle with center and radius. Okay. For that, open GeoGebra, click on applications, education, then GeoGebra. Okay, this is the GeoGebra. Open that. Then maximize it. Then we don't want the axis. This is the axis. Okay, so just hide that axis by clicking in this icon. Okay, now the axis is hidden. Now we are going to draw a floral carpet that you have seen in the textbook. Okay, first step is that click on the surface to draw a circle of the required radius. Okay, select our tool, that is circle, center and radius. Okay, select that tool. Then click on any surface. Okay, this is the surface. Click on anywhere. I'm just clicking here. Now, a small box is opened. Here we want to enter the radius. Okay, now I have entered any radius you can enter. Now I am entering the radius is 2. Okay, then click on the OK button. Now a circle is drawn with the radius 2. See, 1, 2. Okay, now the radius of this circle is 2. The next step is that click on any point in the circle and give the same radius again. So, there are so many points in this circle. You can click anywhere. Okay, you can click anywhere in this circle. Now I am clicking here. Okay, you can click here, here, here. Okay, you can click anywhere. Now I am just clicking here. Then you want to give the same radius that we have given for the first circle. What is that radius? Yes, 2. Then click on OK button. See, now 2 circles were formed. Okay, is the center of both circles are same? No, the center of this circle is this and center of this circle is this point. Okay, but the radius are same. The radius of this circle is 1 plus 1. Radius of this circle is 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so the radius is same, then the center point is different. Okay, so we want to draw so many circles like this to form a floral carpet. Okay, now I am clicking here and giving the same radius, clicking OK button. Okay, now I am clicking here, not 5, 2. Okay, likewise you can draw. We have completed drawing the floral carpet. Okay, can you see a flower shape? Okay, so dear children, we want to color this circle. How can we give colors to the circles? We want to make our floral carpet more attractive, right? Okay, for that you can right click any of the circle. Okay, now I am just right click here. Now you can see object properties. Okay, what is that? Object properties. Okay, so for giving color, click on any circle, then right click. Okay, not just clicking, right click on any circle, then select object properties. Now a tab is opened. From here we want to select color tab. Okay, select color tab. Now you can give any color. Okay, see, the color of the circle's border has changed. Okay, now if you want to fill the color, so here you can see a slider of opacity. Okay, so just increase that. See, the color has filled in the circle. Okay, likewise you can give colors to all the circles. Okay, right click, object properties, then color tab, then give the color, then adjust the opacity like this. Okay, see, okay, so this is the floral carpet that we have made. Did you like this? Okay, how can we give the colors? Just right click on the circle and select object properties, then select the color tab here. Okay, then you can adjust the opacity. Okay, see, in your textbook you can see a box with many tools. So these 4 tools are used to draw circles. These first 2 tools are familiar to you. Center, circle with the center through point. Okay, what is the use of that? Using the center and the point through which circle passes. Okay, we can draw the circle with the same center and different radius with the help of circle with the center through point tool. Okay, then this tool we have familiar with this tool in this chapter. Circle with the center and radius. Okay, giving center and radius. Okay, that we have studied in today's class. Okay, then here also 2 more tools that helped us to draw circles. First one is compass. Okay, compass tool is used to give the center and the length of the radius. Okay, so you have to remember the icon of compass tool. Okay, this is the icon for compass tool and its use is giving center and length of radius. Okay, what is the use of compass tool? Giving center and length of radius. Okay, so it will give a center point and we can give the length for the radius. Okay, here we are just drawing a circle. Okay, but here you can give the value of the radius. Okay, then the fourth tool is circle through 3 points. Okay, this is the circle through 3 points. By seeing the icon of this tool itself, we can say that it is a circle having 3 points. So what is the name of this tool? Circle through 3 points. What is the use? Using 3 points through which the circle passes. Okay, so I am just showing it. See, this is the compass tool. This is the circle through 3 points. Okay, just click on that. Here 1 point, second point and third point. Okay, so circle with 3 points. Okay, so dear children, there are lot of activities we can done after the lockdown days in this chapter. Okay, so we can save it, file, save as, students work 6, activity 5. Okay, then click on save. Now our work is saved with the name activity5.ggb. Okay, so dear children, we have completed our 5th chapter and you are having any doubt means you can contact me. Okay, so you have to write the notebook and we can meet at the next class by the new chapter. Okay, we can do the practical activities when the school reopens. Okay, thank you.